Hello, hello, my travel buddies. Welcome to the When in Robes podcast. I'm Carly Konsker. I am your host. I am a pop culture expert, a travel enthusiast, and a chicken finger, chicken tender, chicken strip lover. I am taking you on a ride of a lifetime. Each week, I will be taking you into my hotel room as we explore a new hotel every episode, and I slip into the hotel robe as I review, rate, and explore a new destination. This podcast will cover everything from our craziest travel disaster stories to our hottest vacation hookups, not to mention what's on our bucket list, where we want to travel to next, our favorite hotels of all time, and where the hell you have to eat when you're there. I'm going to be inviting some of my favorite travel advisors, travel experts, travel influencers, and some of my personal travel buddies. We're also going to discuss the nightlife of the city we're in, and we're going to rate the chicken fingers at every single hotel I visit. I am on a quest to find the best chicken tenders, not only in LA, but worldwide. So pack your bags and bring options because you never know where we'll end up next. I'm Carly Konsker, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode of When in Robes. See ya!